What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be working on the SR20 Miata again, because that's what we do all the time. But we're going to be installing this Cobalt 3-point strut tower brace. I'm going to show you step by step how to install this exact bar into your Miata. So first step, what you're going to do is remove the strut tower nuts, which stock strut tower nuts are 14 mil. These are actually Downstar's beauty washers and nuts, which are actually 13 mil. Okay, so now that we have those off, we can mock the bar up and find out where I put it. Now normally, you're gonna have your brake lines running here, and you just have to push those out of the way. Unfortunately, I can't show you that because I already have mine off. And they weren't in stock anyway. Lift yours up.
That's one thing to note.
Yeah, so one thing, yeah. Put it in this lip first, so you have to move your brake lines. Put it in that lip, and then it'll line up. Maybe.
A little bit of persuasion always helps as well.
A little bit harder to put on than... Oh, there it goes. Pretty much a perfect fit, it seems like. So you want to tighten this down so we can line up the bolt hose correctly. Okay, so there is going to be just a slight gap from the strut tower to the firewall, is what it looks like. That is where it needs to be. So we're going to grab our Sharpie and align this hole so we can get our bolts lined up to drill. Alright, so now that we have that marked, we're going to go ahead and take this back off.
So there are the holes, or the marks. I'm going to tap that, drill it.
So we're going to use a 5/16 to actually drill the hole for the bolt, so we have room to... What, should we do that?
Yeah, a little bit of wiggle room so we can adjust, we can line it up. Because it's not that it needs to be absolutely precise.
So Tyler's going to use this punch here. And they do make a tool specifically to actually punch things out, but we don't have it. So he's just going to use that and hit it with the hammer. So it just has like a little divot to put the drill bit through. No, he's gonna climb into the car.
Yeah.
And my nice blue.
I am the engine. I have the power.
Smoking. Alright, so now that we got the holes drilled, we can go ahead and install the bar again, and then we'll do the backing plate. So here's the backing plate. You've got the two, everything is black so I can't show, doesn't show up. These two blah.
Take.
This bracket, these two holes here sit on the back side up top, and they'll line up with these. Like that. And then you'll have a nut to put on the back. These are the 3 holes right here that we'll need to mark, which I can go ahead and do. Whoops. I think they're marked. So then we have to take this backing plate back off and drill the holes for those. For these, we're gonna do a 9/64 drill bit. We're gonna start with that and see how it goes. Oh my god.
Okay, breaking stuff.
Did you break my...
No, everything's fine. Don't worry about it.
Don't, it's like $90.
I know. Don't. I don't have longer drill bits.
I only have one spare one, Tyler.
Well, you could take mine. I'm gonna have to drill this one at a little bit of an angle.
What's... Hold up. There's nothing back there, right?
No.
Okay.
You got plenty of room. There's some insulation. It just pulled it through.
Is there? Because I think it's right on the line of the, yeah, that stuff. What is that called? Like firewall shielding?
It's
like a heat shield.
yeah, it's like a heat shieldant, but also a fire retardant.
Yeah. So now, before we put the bracket back on, we're just gonna check and see if the screw actually fits through. Alright, so we've got our screw. And we're just gonna see if it'll go in before we put everything on.
I have an extension right here for that. I think I'm on the wrong angle for.
So it looks like it's gonna work. So we're gonna try it. Make sure all these holes line up and Tyler didn't mess up.
I tend to.
Oh, okay. Let's try the middle one first. Try and get it as straight as possible. Boom! So that seemed to work good. You don't want to do it too big because you don't want any rain to come in here and get into your cabin.
Well, and then the other thing is you don't want to go too big because if you do, then it's not going to have anything to thread into.
Oh, well, yeah, that too. Alright. Don't do that. So it only took us about 15-20 minutes to put it all in. Super simple, very easy. If you have, I mean, you only need a drill bits, and a couple sockets and wrenches. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. I think it's gonna look super good when everything gets back together in the car. I really like it. It seems like a sturdy piece. Hopefully it actually strengthens the chassis a little bit better. I do hear that these work super great. And I really enjoy the way they look instead of just over the top. And I'm pretty sure the 3-point is better for bracing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I can try and help you out as much as possible. I think these are about $150 to $180 new, which isn't really a bad price. I think that's about typical of a strut tower brace. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully this helps you out. Subscribe for more if you want more tutorials like this, or just subscribe to my SR20 build itself. We're doing a whole thing now. As you can tell, the car is ripped apart. It's going to be awesome. We're going to have a lot more content coming because we're doing a lot of stuff.
Wait, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
That's not the SR20?
No, it's over there.
That. This?
This is actually where our fuel lines are going to go.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Central fueling. I heard that's
Right
great
there.
for
It goes
horsepower.
right into the oil pan.
It's great.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. We'll see you in the next one.